All right, so I pulled the Jeep right up, right up here. It's about as far as I can go. I could go a bit further, but here's our setup today. We have this Tram 1185, I believe, mag mount antenna. I do regret not bringing the Nagoya tri-band antenna and the ground plane or base plane or whatever they call it for that, because I could have set it up, you know, in the tree there, rather than moving the car. Nice view. And here's where we had the Jeep. We just moved it for now because you can see we're down in there. Yeah, I'm a little more blocked by these mountains, but it's amazing. You just go 30 yards and see how the field of view changes. Isn't that much better? Again, this is the AnyTone radio. I want to say it's the like AT-779UV or UV779, one or the other. This is a little aftermarket Jeep dash pit extension. So rather than putting a bunch of holes in my dash, I just mounted the bracket for the radio on top of that, and the mount for the handset. And we still have more room in the dash pit than we did before. So.
You just told me, did you hear an APRS talking a minute ago? Nope, that's the negative.
Victor Echo 7. I'm just doing a test. I'm up a spur road from East Harrison, and just wanted to see if I could reach the repeater and if anyone monitoring could give me a signal report.
Loud and proud in Abbotsford.
Thank you so much for the signal report there. I don't have a direct line of sight to Sumas Mountain, but it's pretty close, and I appreciate that report so much. 73 to you, my friend.
Different, good sounding rate. Don't fix it. BA7 clear and monitoring.
Amazing. All right, he's clear and monitoring. Wow, such nice people in the ham community. Victor Echo 7, just a brief test. Is any station monitoring? I'm testing to see if I can reach this repeater from East Harrison Forest Service Road in British Columbia. I'm way up a spur behind a mountain, but it sounds good on the receive.
Last station looking for a radio check. This is WA Mobile in Whatcom County here, northbound on northbound guide meridian. You're coming in good and strong into the repeater. Yep, you're making it just fine.
WA7, I think if I copied that correctly, thank you so much for the report.
Excellent. Well, good to talk to you, Chris. My name is... And, yeah, good to talk to you. Nice day to be out and about driving up on the logging roads.
There's the wife over there, digging out that fire pit no one's done for probably 15 years. Fertilizing the hillside with the remains of it. There's another ugly fire pit here. Come on. Why? Why would you... so many fire pits close together? Why? Anyway, let's jump back in the car. Test out a few more repeaters. Yeah, this is a 20 watt deal. Depending on the frequency, I've tested it, you know, with the power and SWR. SWR is great. It's, you know, like 1.01. And the power, yeah, depending on the frequency, I don't know, 18 to 21 You know, I'd say it's usually above 20, so it does what it says, which is different than a lot of radios. This is Victor Echo 7. I'm just doing a test to see if I'm readable from this repeater, if anyone can copy.
Low audio, maybe you might want to get closer to your microphone.
Yeah, I'm actually up the mountain, up a spur road from East Harrison Forestry Service Road. So yeah, quite a few mountains in between me and the repeater here. The repeater I'm on is Victor Echo 7, Romeo Yankee Foxtrot, VE7 RYF.
So yeah, it's amazing. It's working quite well. So the only thing I can suggest is make sure you're right by your microphone. You're good. You're good. Considering. Wow. Impressive.
7-3 to you, and Victor Echo 7, I will be clear. Victor Echo 7, I'm just doing a test. I'm up a spur road off East Harrison Road and want to see if I am readable by the repeater.
Station in there, but you're so down in the weeds, lots of noise, you can't copy it, but 7-3 to you anyway.
They can't copy us, but we'll say 7-3. 7-3.
Oh, you must have been using a phone thing.
Or an icon. Bet you icons sound like that too. It's precious. It was 2% right there.
Yeah, maybe a little bit. A lot more learning, but maybe less memorization. Anyway, I'm going to let you get back to it there. I'm going to go for a little evening walk around here, but you know, I'm here for another day, and I'll be monitoring the frequency off and on there.
Sounds good. You enjoy, and I'm going to give my buddy another call.
Victor Echo 7, and the name is Chris.
7 on this end, and you were just talking to he's there now. So, yeah, you're making funny stuff, but
There are a few other things I like about this radio. One is it scans really fast. Like if you take a Baofeng or something like that, this scans about 3 times the speed. And unlike a Baofeng, without using programming software, you can actually exclude channels from scanning, which is a great feature to have because, you know, I don't want to roll around with a laptop in my car if I don't have to. So anyway, with that said, there's so many things I like about this little radio.